Hey guys, today we got something that's very exciting for us. We got this TVD vinyl and it goes on our rims.
It's going to cover up all that chrome and we think it's going to look a lot better, so let's get into it.
Let's go.
Gonna prep these wheels with some soapy water, get all the dust off. Excited to see how this turns out, thinking it might be a pretty tedious, painstaking process, but I think we're gonna like the results. We're gonna put some alcohol to ensure that all the grease and whatnot is off and we can get the film to stick.
Can I have the trash, please? Oops. Ah, the nemesis.
Yes. Whoa. You see this?
Ooh.
Dude, you know what this feels like? A fruit roll up.
Haha.
These do not want to come off.
Nemesis.
We're gonna try to overlap this because there is a bit of an overlap when you're driving, the way that the tire rotates. So we are gonna start working this way to make sure that when we overlap it, it goes with the rotation of the tire. This piece is on top of this piece. All right, this is gonna look really good. I'm looking at this first one that we did halfway. Don't know how long it's gonna last, but it's gonna look good. It's looking sick.
I like your analogy that it's a fruit roll-up.
It really feels like that. Fruit by the foot or something. Wow, that water dries up pretty quick because it's warm out.
Definitely seems to be helping.
Totally. It's less pressure. It's really making sure that these edges are good. Nice. Hey.
I don't know where I'm pointing right now, but this looks incredible.
This is the last section on this wheel and we're loving how it's looking. So we're gonna finish this up, show you guys what it looks like, and then get on to the rest of them.
Should we make the lug nuts black?
That is the question.
Yeah.
They don't look horrible.
They don't. Drop a comment if you think we should, but by now, when you see the video, we'll have decided. We can just put it on later. Want to spray?
Please. I mean, we are loving how this is looking. We love everything about this right now.
This is sick. We got 3 more rims to go.
Let's do it.
Let's go. So look at this before and this awesome after.
I want to know how long it's going to stay on, and we'll put it to the test on our road trip. So stay tuned. We'll let you guys know if this is worth it.
Ah, just what I needed.
Let's see how you do with the fruit roll up over there. Nice.
One cool thing about this film is it's casted vinyl and not calendared vinyl. The difference is calendared is they roll it out to a certain size. But the problem with that is that it will kind of shrink. Casted vinyl won't shrink, and this is what we need, especially when it's exposed to the sun. Boom! I will say that vinyl is very forgiving.
How long do you think it'll last?
I'm thinking 6 months. Just have to be very careful for car washes.
We really spent a long time trying to figure out what we were going to do. If we wanted to keep this wheel and tire setup, or if we wanted to swap it out and upgrade and get some bigger wheels and tires on this thing, which of course it's eventually what we want to do. We have the lift kit on here ready to do that, but we wanted to try and use what we have first, see how the truck handles with that, and then just test it all out. So this is why we went this route with getting these vinyls to cover up the wheels. Try and make it look a little cooler. So how do you feel like this compares to when you would like plastidip your wheels?
I think it's a lot nicer. I mean, it's gonna be really hard to mask the silver and the black. So vinyl seems to like be the way to go, really. You did a really good job cleaning the rim. I would want to say it gets easier each time, but not really. Oh, that one actually went on really well.
One more section to go on this wheel, and then we'll have this side done. Yeah, that
It's
just
a little dusty here.
randomly got windy. Nice work.
We'll tuck this one, and this one, go with the rotation of the rim. Maybe it'll help keep air from getting underneath.
Yeah, it makes sense.
It's looking so good. What do you guys think? Come on. Doesn't this look so good? We got half the truck done. I love it, and our vinyl is blowing away. Look at that. It's looking good so far.
We had to just move the truck to get it in the sun, so let's get this done.
So I learned the hard way that you really need to get the vinyl on just the silver edge and not overlap too much, because on the edges you'll see silver. So we need to tuck in the black around the backside.
Which the instructions may have said something, we just didn't read them.
Didn't read them. Said scan the QR code. But figured that we would do it when we got here, but there's no signal. Wheels going this way, perfect. So we should trade spots. She made a really good point. I would have missed that.
Give it a once over, help each other. We're also trying to move a little quicker here, so we're gonna tag team these. So what are you thinking about those lug nuts? You wanna cover them up?
I don't know yet.
These vinyl pieces that go right over the lug nuts, and we're trying to decide if we're gonna go ahead and put them on or not. I kind of think it looks sick without them, but if we have them, should we just use them? Ooh, got that up on the first try. Oh, you know what I just thought of? The TRD Pro has black wheels, huh? Kind of gives that vibe. Oh no, are we gonna be a TRD Bro?
No, we can't.
We can't. We are on our last one. Loving how it's looking. We're just gonna get this one done and show you the final product.
Wow, you put it so perfectly.
Teamwork.
By the time we're done, we're professionals at this, and there's no more wheels to do. This is the final flap, the final vinyl piece. And we are done. Just a little final squeegeeing. This project is officially done. You get to stand back and see the results.
Whew, we did it. That was a lot of work. There's some tedious parts, but we are honestly loving the results.
This is night and day. When we were halfway with one rim, it was already so good looking that we were really feeling the results already, even at that point. And now you see, it just looks so mean. Words can't describe how good it looks, even on just these stock rims.
Yeah. And that's, again, what we really wanted to do, was somehow make these stock rims just look a little bit more cool. And then eventually we'll switch everything out. But We're interested to see how long this stays on.
Yeah.
That's the only part that I'm a little nervous about, so we'll keep you guys updated, but
Hopefully it lasts long enough just for us to get used to this. And if we, I don't know, want to paint it black, this is a perfect visualization of, hey, it's black.
yeah.
And I think it really looks good on these stock rims, like
Yep.
I said. We decided to just keep the lug nuts chrome color as it is because they look kind of weird when you put the stickers on. But that's just personal taste.
Yeah,
So,
let us know in the comments if this is something you guys would do or if you think this is cool and would want to try out some different vinyls on your wheels. Thanks for hanging out with us. And if you like this video, we have a couple other videos about modding our truck, so check it out.
check it out. Up here, up here.